Hey guys, welcome to another video. So, as far as you'll know me and you have watched my videos, this is not my typical video that I am shooting today. Usually I do a lot of travel content, and for the past weeks I haven't been able to upload some videos due to my phone heating up and everything. And for those reasons, there's a little delay in my videos. But nevertheless, I have something here today that I wanted to kind of share with the viewers. This is the new DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. And actually, I got a birthday gift from my wife. So I thought I'll kind of unbox and show you all the contents in this video. Again, do like and subscribe my channel. There are a lot of videos going to come up soon. And the reason why my wife purchased this for me is because, I can shoot better content, better videos. And yeah, I mean, that's it. And, without any further delay, let's go ahead and unbox this baby. So I am, okay. Keep that at a side. So this is what we have here. We have I think a 1.3 CMOS sensor, and then I think it has active tracking. What else? I think it has an OLED display as well, both back and front. It has a 4-hour video recording that depends on what kind of content, whether it's 1080p or 4K. And let's unbox this, guys, and see what's inside. So this is the adventure combo that I kind of purchased, and I'll put the link in the description below so that y'all can click on that link, guys, again, and support my channel by buying this product. If you're interested to buy this product, I mean, you get two types. One which is the standard edition, where you just get the action camera, and the other one is the Adventure Pro, where you have the action camera, you have the case, you have the stick, and then you get the batteries along with it, the battery case, and I'll show you what's in the box right away. So this is how it looks inside. So you have the accessories here, and then you have the Osmo Action 5 Pro here. So let's go ahead and take out the accessories first. I think so. So this is what comes along with the box. It's like a handheld monopod that you can use along with your action camera to vlog. So I like what DJI has done. This is pretty good. And then let's get into the accessories and see what's in it. So in the accessories, you have the I think this is the magnetic mount. Let's go ahead and open that up. Okay, that is the magnetic mount. Let's see what else is in the box. You have the USB Type-C, your charging cable. Sorry for that. And you have the QR code. I think this is to scan the DJI Memo app, so we'll keep that at the side. And you have the user manual that comes along, which is really not much important right now. So that's what it is. And then you have the batteries and the battery case. So I know DJI does promise you get around 3 batteries, and look at this, guys. This is amazing. So you never run out of gas. You can always use, I think this is a 1950 mAh that you can use, which has 4 hours, up to 4 hours of video recording. So that's good. So you can carry, a lot of vloggers can carry to go ahead and shoot their content. And coming to the main part now, let's unbox this baby. So I did a lot of reviews and watched a lot of videos, guys, to see comparisons about the Pro and the Action 4 as well as the GoPro. So I'm just going to keep this to the side. Let's get into first the case. So guys, many of us can put the case. If you don't want to put the case, that's absolutely fine, but we would recommend the case only because, you know, of the dust and all that stuff. And so you just want to, I mean, even though it's rugged and, you know, it's made for, so this is the case, guys, and I'll show you how to kind of put the stuff in the case as well. So this is the case, and this is also a mount that you can use, especially when you're using it on your shoulders and all that stuff. So you can use that. Let's see, what's this? This is another magnetic mount that actually clips right into the Action. And let's see, what is this? This may be another. So these are the screws for these mounts as well. So you can use it for this, I mean, whichever you prefer. Let's get into the main stuff, guys. Let me just open this up. And here it is. This is the new Action 5 Pro. I mean, look at this. So this is the front OLED and this is the back OLED. I mean, it's pretty big, the screen. And so this is where I think you put in your battery. Yep, this is where you kind of put in your battery, and then your SD card goes in here. Let me lock this up. This is your quick start or your quick button, and this is for the charging, or if you want to connect an external accessory on this. And let us pull this up. There you go. Put this here. All right, it's a great sensor, guys. I think it's the same sensor, but it's much improved right now. And let us turn this on. So in order to turn this on, guys, I think you gotta kind of, allow me a moment. Let me remove the battery from here. So guys, what you can do is slide this down. I'm sorry. So slide this up and try to insert this. I mean, if you can see that portion down there, so you got to kind of keep it this way and insert the battery, and this is how it goes in. And then, so I ordered this from ScanDisk, and I think this is the 128 GB that I have here with me. So let's tear this up. I'm sorry, guys, I'm so messy. I just wanted to kind of open it up so quickly. There you go. And you will also get this on Amazon as well, guys. So here it is. Let me just cut this here so I can remove the SD card. So people who use these adapters, you can always keep this because your laptop and all has a slot for these adapters where you can kind of put the micro SD here, or you know, you can use the Mimo app to transfer it to your phone or laptop, C by C, USB C by C as well. And let me go ahead and put this SD card inside this, and I think this is the way. Okay, hold on. Okay. So this is how you'll gotta put the SD card in. Let me see, guys. It's very tricky, man. I mean, this is the first time that I am using this, and yep, there you go. All right, all said and done. Let me see if it comes out. Yep, that's the right way. Plugged in, and okay, there you go. So it immediately powers on, guys, and you can select the language. And of course, you need to activate this, which I will do it later. And gotta scan this QR code, and also download the settings for the firmware update as well. But I think this is pretty good, guys. I mean, look at it, man. This is amazing. All right. So I'll show you how we quickly scan this, and I'll start it up, all right? So guys, finally we are back. It took me some time to go ahead and update the firmware, and I didn't know that, you know, we have to even keep your mobile data on, you know, and connect it with 5G, and that's the way. So guys, very important when you are updating your firmware on this device, make sure your Bluetooth's on, your Wi-Fi is on, it's connected to the Mimo app, and also that your 5G is on, so that the firmware is successfully updated on this. So yeah, pretty much it, guys. I'm already back on it. This is pretty good. I mean, you can see here that I have a couple of settings that are set up here. I mean, if you want to go into settings, you can always get into, I mean, this is the recommended setting that I use. Even if I have to shoot it from my phone, I use 4K 30 or 60. I mean, to get that crisp and that clear videos. Okay, and so this is my recommended setting on the screen. Otherwise, I mean, if you want to change your settings, you can always go here. I mean, it depends from person to person and how they want to kind of, you know, shoot their content. But yeah, brightness, we always leave it the way it is. That's pretty cool. And this is your settings, where you can always go down and, you know, customize your setting based on your requirement. I've turned this on because, you know, I usually shoot it this way. I mean, sometimes if I want to make reels, probably I can shoot it in a vertical way or a horizontal way, but I like to keep the orientation lock on, so that, you know, this is how I shoot. I mean, if I want to remove Instagram videos or something like that, and then I can always go into the horizontal mode. So it's pretty cool. So this is what it is. And then I think you have the mounts. Mounts are very important, guys, and these are magnetic mounts, so you can just set them up here and look at it. It just literally clicks. Just make sure that you are actually putting it in properly. I mean, if you see, you know, you need to actually clip it in correctly so that it sits perfectly tight. And when you're shooting any fast moving videos, you know, like if you're on the bike, and also just ensure that these clips are actually put in correctly. And then, you know, you can always screw it up to the stick, and you can mount separately as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So I'm gonna show some content, probably how it's in the day, because you have different kinds of modes here as well. So I mean, if you take a look, I'm sorry.
Photo.
So you have photo,
video,
and you have video.
Photo, video.
And this is actually the quick way to kind of now if you tap on this corner here, it'll ask you to change. So you can go into photo, you can go into video, you can go into super night mode, subject tracking, which I'll show as well, and you have slow mode, and then you have the time lapse. So right now it's on video, and I'll show you guys you know, a little bit of sample videos, probably shot in the day and the night and all that, so you'll get an idea. Again, I'm not a tech guy. I just thought I'll kind of show you all what I have, and this is what I'm going to use to do all my videos going forward. So do like, subscribe, share, and give me a thumbs up. If you have any feedback, you can always put in the comments below, guys. I'm always open to feedback, and I'll see you in my next travel video. Take care, guys.